Hi guys, and welcome you all back in my refitting videos where I'm refitting my Hallberg Rassy Rasmus. I hope you have a great Christmas and New Year, because I had great one. I spent with my family and we have an awesome time. As you can probably notice, I upgraded my audio and now it's hopefully sounds a little bit more better, and I hope it's improve my videos as well in the future. Many things to do, so let's jump into the boat and see what we can do. Oh yes, and before I forget, I have some videos that I filmed last year, and I will show them in this video. So that's gonna be with the old sound that I had before. So I pre-cut my boards that will go around my galley, and it also, as you can see, it goes a little bit higher, well, quite higher. So that's gonna keep my stuff that might be on the countertop slip down and fall on the floor. But this is just to keep a little bit easier to work, you know. I did my oven here and it's really precise. And now when I have to place the list here, obviously it's pretty difficult. So if you can see here, I cut a really thin so I can place it right here, and so it's not bother my oven. And then here it's a pretty big piece over here, and I did cut the gap like here for each of these, so it sits on the countertop and also it's supported by the wall. So that's what I'm doing for a couple hours right now. I'm placing the first layer of varnish. Took time yesterday, and I really worked hard with this because I wanted this one to look as nice as possible, because this is gonna be a visible part. I'm gonna hold on to it because it's really comfortable to hold on that. Now these blanks are ready. Basically I just need to glue them on the place. But look at this. It's hard to say now, but I can see already how awesome it will look. It just gives this accent and pointing out. Wow, this is amazing. In the previous video I removed my water tank hatches. I find out that the bacteria is down there, and I had some time to think about that, and I have two solutions. One is that I clean as far I can reach with my hand and kind of put everything back together, and then put the filters, which will not eventually solve my problem, but at least it will take some bacteria away. Still, I can't drink that water directly, but if I boil it, I probably most likely can drink it afterwards, which would be a solution as well. And the second option is to take down everything here. What I mean with taking down is to cut all the glass fiber, take everything on part, only relocate the tank somewhere else. Maybe a smaller one, but somewhere else. So I don't know which option should I go with, and I'm still wondering. Actually decide to use this material and build a LED lights here. So I need some certain like a frame for that. I'm thinking to make like a gap here and then stick the LED inside so it's not visible. I think it's gonna look nice. Yeah, let's divide this one on half because I don't need that thickness. It's gonna be dust again, but what can I do? So, now it's done. So what I need to do now is to make smoother these edges. So I'm gonna round them a little bit. And then I need to make a gap in the middle so my LED light is fitting inside. So I'm back in my boat. This gap is where I'm going to hide my light. Ta-da! I placed the LED lights inside and it's really good. So much light here. It's incredible. Really nice. Comparing all the rest, it's dark, but here so much light. There's one thing that I didn't think about it. If you stand up, it's alright, but when you sit down, I'm able to see the light from below. Didn't think about that. Have to make them more in, which will lead me to take everything down, make the gap deeper inside. This is how it is. You do something and you just can't predict everything. I was thinking about where to place my subwoofer. I think I found the place for my subwoofer, because it's really not that much space here for the subwoofer, as I realized at the end. Since I have this closet here, I found that I have some space here down there to place my subwoofer. I think that's gonna be the most suitable place for the subwoofer so far that I could find. Close up one side here, it's still gonna be okay, and I'm not gonna lose so much of the space. I was looking for maybe some tame plate for the speaker size, and I found this, and this actually is the tame plate as well, because it's exactly the size which I need to make. So guys, let's see how it goes in. I have this hole, now I just need to place it in. I think I found the place. Well, obviously I found the place. And it looks pretty good from the other side as well. I have a little bit space for the air, and when I'm gonna make a box, it's really not gonna make so much difference as it was before. Just a little bit higher up than it was before. So I think I found a really good spot for this one. Yep, it's in. It's already late, I have to go home. My kid was all day long with me. He has a lot of patience. Yeah, it feels like I didn't do anything today, but just those small things. So I did a little frame around here, and now I just need to put the box together. I already pre-cut some pieces. One, it's gonna be here, then another will be going right here, something like this, and then another will be going right here, and then this one will go around here and around here as well. So it's gonna be a nice list that goes around here. It's going to be a little bit lower here, and then it goes there. So I want to leave this space open because I want to bring some cables and stuff through here. I read like that it's really important to make the box as straight and even as possible without any curves and stuff. Okay, I'm quite tired. So, yep, I guess that's it for this episode. Guys, see you in the next one. Ну что, тогда увидимся на другой эпизоде. Пока всем, которые смотрели. Labi, nu tad redzēsimies nākošajā epizodē. Heido for Allah! Bye!